In this video, we'll explore Apple's guidance on managing water-damaged smartphones, debunking the common myth that placing devices in rice is effective. Understanding proper care for electronics is crucial, and will reveal Apple's official stance on this matter. Many smartphone users have long believed that placing a wet device in rice can effectively absorb moisture. This myth has persisted over time, but in reality, this practice may cause more harm than good, potentially damaging the device further. Apple clearly advises against using rice to dry wet smartphones, as rice particles can damage internal components. Following manufacturer recommendations for device care is crucial to ensure proper handling and minimize risks associated with water exposure to electronics. Placing a smartphone in rice poses specific dangers, as rice particles can infiltrate the device and cause internal damage. Even after drying, microparticles may remain, leading to long-term effects on functionality due to improper drying methods. To dry a smartphone after water exposure, lay it flat to ensure proper air circulation and encourage patience, allowing the device to dry completely. Consider safer alternatives, such as using silica gel packets instead of rice for drying. In summary, we discussed the dangers of the rice myth and highlighted Apple's advice on handling water-damaged smartphones. Proper care for electronic devices is essential. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more helpful content.